He's a seal hunter, but those seals are way out on the sea ice. And right now, the ice still isn't thick enough to walk on. In just 10 years, the bear population has fallen by over a third. Winter is their prime hunting season, when the deep snow slows down their prey. In this weather, the exposed coastline will claim casualties. The pack must find them first. They're nervous. This is not wolf territory. A dead polar bear is an unexpected feast. They must feed quickly. It's now that Canada's top predators come face to face. The wolves have strength in numbers, but at 800 pounds, this bear has a massive weight advantage. And this time, that's what counts.